Hello everybody, this is B from Crazy Stereo. We have a GMC ACADIA 2008. We need to replace the factory stereo system. However, this vehicle has backup sensors, backup camera, a rear view entertainment system, and this is the factory stereo with a touchscreen. And this vehicle has an OnStar control, a steering wheel control, and other features. To do this, we need this module from ACADIA, and this is the stereo that we're going to install. So the module is basically looks like this with a bunch of wires and connections. And this module is, I want to call it the magic module. It does magic actually. It retains the OnStar and all functions for the factory radio. It retains the steering wheel control. It retains the rear seat audio control. It retains the factory satellite radio, the warning chimes, the backup sensors, the park assist and backup camera. It retains the Bose system. It retains the chime, as we said, and all that. So this is a beautiful piece. You also need this extra harness plug-in. You plug into this system as well to retain the rear seat entertainment system. So we're going to start with the installation and we come back to you in a minute. Hello again, this is B. We just finished the installation of the final product, which is the Pioneer AVH-2330nex. This unit here plays does both CarPlay and AndroidAUTO, and also as well does the DVD player. We were able to achieve a few things here. We retain all the factory features, including steering wheel remote control, and also the backup camera and the rear seat entertainment system. As you see, this is the factory and this is the final product. Let's do some testing here. Just brake, please. We'll put on reverse. That's the backup camera. This is the video, it's playing. And that is the rear seat entertainment system is working perfectly. We were able to retain it as well. The chime is working. And if you want to hook up your auxiliary or your iPhone or Android Auto, your Android phone, you could plug them in here and have full functionality. Okay, so we're back here. The Android Auto is hooked up. Let's do a quick test. Go to Wells Fargo Bank. There we go. It's working.
Showing results for Wells Fargo Bank.
All right. So if you want to switch back to iPhone, all we need to do is, this is an iPhone, and we just remove the cable here from and plug in the the 2017-2018 model. You do not need to have two USBs. You could use the same USB cable, and it will recognize if there's an Android or CarPlay. So CarPlay is on now, and it's working off of the phone. Beautiful piece, retail for $5.99. We have it special here, $4.99 at Crazy Stereo. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this was very informative. If you have a similar vehicle, a GMC, any type of a GMC, they all have similar features. We will take care of it for you here. If you need more information or you have any questions, please visit us at crazystereo.com, or you may call us 714-689-9900. You may follow us on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube at Crazy Stereo, one word, CrazyStereo. Thank you for watching and see you next video.